Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Robinson, local and long distance movers near me. Your long distance move can include loading, transportation, and unloading. They can also include even more, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time moving up from pricing. We provide you with the best peace of mind you need when you're moving 100 miles away or further. Our team can be trusted to protect your things. We use professional movers that know exactly how to give you an efficient move. When you choose an Illinois moving company, you get a simple local move. Yes, it's shorter distance to go, but the job is still rather large. Backing up everything you own, loading heavy furniture, and undoing all that at your new location is a lot of work. With good movers, you can avoid the heavy lifting. 3 Movers offers you the right option for your move. We give you a streamlined process to ensure you get to your new location faster and easier. A move that would take you all week, we can get done in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Robinson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.